Let's have a look what's inside this pretty obsessed buy one get one free mystery beauty box, which is supposed to have 2 boxes of 5 items packed together into this one box. In the end, we're getting 10 items, and I paid £24.49 for it, plus shipping of £3.75. So £28.24 altogether. Let's have a look inside. The first item is invisible, and this is like a pink marble effect print on the scrunchie. I found this exact print on Amazon for £5.49, so not a bad deal. It's a good scrunchie. It's quite a useful item. What do we have next? Next, this is Revolution Relove Pore Vanishing Prime Mist Setting Spray, and it costs £4.50 on the website at the moment. Quite useful. Next item is this. Oh, it's all covered in dust. It's NYX Loud matte lip liner, and this costs £8 on ASOS at the moment. Then there's another item from NYX, also dusty. Liquid Suede matte metallic lipstick. This one is at the moment £7 at Cold Beauty, and funnily enough, it has horrible reviews. Next we have another dusty product. This is Revolution Skin Daily Moisturizing Face Cream. I've never actually tried any of this skincare, so I don't know if it's any good. Dust inside as well. Okay, that looks quite nice. Plastic packaging, but it's quite. So this one costs £11.83 on makeup.uk at the moment. Next we have patches, as in every box, Face Facts. These patches are £4.16 on Amazon at the moment. Now, this is a familiar packaging. This is Dusty OK Vitamin C Sheet Mask. They're around in all sorts of different shops. And I found it for £2 in Oliver Bonus on sale now. This next one is a Paradox Detox Restorative Hair Mask. I've never tried it before. I've been searching for it online and found all sorts of different prices. I'm going to take the £4 price for it. Not sure how much it's actually worth. Next I have this a chocolate lip mask from Revolution. It's cute packaging, but inexpensive product. It's £4 at the moment from Look Fantastic. And our 10th product is Ameliorate Specialist Skincare Restorative Facial Mask. This seems like a substantial product actually. Let's have a look inside. It's a big jar, dusty as well as everything else in this box. It all sort of feels like a bath bomb exploded somewhere next to my parcel. Anyway, this is a facial mask, 75ml, good full size packaging, £8 or £5 on Cosmetify for this product. So that's the whole lot we got in this pretty obsessed beauty box. Was it worth it? Looking at it, I'm not impressed. I'm not obsessed. It's worth $59.03. I paid $24.49, so it is. So the retail value is double that price. However, some of the products have bad reviews, Some of the products are from cheaper ranges. The patches I have enough of for the next 2 years probably. So am I pretty obsessed? Probably not. But if you like the products in this box, I'm gonna post a link below for you to check it out. See you in the next vid. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.